Hey everyone, the Leica M11-P Safari is a striking and meticulously crafted limited edition camera that builds upon the core specifications of the standard M11-P while delivering a distinctive aesthetic steeped in Leica's design heritage. Its most defining feature is the matte olive green finish, a nod to the classic Safari models that Leica has been producing since the 1970s. This military-inspired color, applied to a solid brass top plate, exudes a rugged yet refined appeal that is sure to catch the eye of collectors and photography enthusiasts alike. Complementing the green top plate is a matching green leatherette wrap that enhances grip while maintaining the cohesive color theme. Leica has opted for a minimalist approach with branding on this model. The iconic red dot has been removed in favor of a more discreet silver screw, which contributes to the camera's understated elegance. The top and front dials are finished in silver, creating a clean visual contrast, while the controls on the rear are in black, subtly separating the shooting interface from the decorative elements. Further reinforcing its premium identity, the top plate is engraved with the Leica script and Leica Camera AG, alongside Wetzlar, Germany, underscoring the camera's German engineering pedigree. Functionally, the M11-P Safari remains identical to its sibling, the M11-P. It houses a full-frame, backside illuminated CMOS sensor that leverages Leica's triple-resolution technology, allowing photographers to shoot at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels, depending on their needs for resolution, file size, or dynamic range. The camera also includes 256 gigabytes of internal storage and supports UHS 2 SD cards, offering both capacity and speed for professional workflows. File format support includes both DNG and JPG, ensuring flexibility in post-processing. The rear LCD is protected by scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating, making it easier to compose and review shots even under bright lighting. In terms of connectivity, the M11-P Safari is well equipped with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB-C support. Bluetooth Low Energy ensures that the camera stays connected to the Leica Photos app, enabling seamless background image transfers without draining battery life. A particularly forward-thinking feature of the M11-P Safari is its integration of content credentials, a digital authentication standard designed to provide tamper-proof metadata. This embeds details such as the camera model, the file's creation date, any post-processing history, and copyright information directly into each image, an invaluable asset for professionals concerned with digital provenance and image integrity. The camera arrives in environmentally conscious, plastic-free packaging made in Germany, aligning with modern sustainability standards. It also includes a black carrying strap that complements the Safari color scheme. At a retail price of $10,495, the Leica M11-P Safari is positioned as a premium offering for those who value both form and function, and is available exclusively through authorized Leica dealers, Leica stores, and the official Leica online store. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.